How to not match whole word king to king. How do I verify an exact word occurs in a string? I need to account for cases when a word such as king has a question mark immediately following, as in the example below. Anagrams: this should be false. In underscore grams this should be false. Anagrams: this should be true. In underscore grams this should be true. As people mentioned, for the anagram case we can handle it by splitting the string into a list, but that doesn't work for in underscore grams. After reading some posts, I think I should attempt to handle using a look behind, but I'm not sure.
Use a regular expression like this. See the Python demo. Details. Question mark. \s, a negative look behind to ensure a match is preceded with whitespace or start of a string, re.escape answer, a pre-processing step to make all special chars inside the search word be treated as literal chars. Question mark. \s, a negative look ahead to ensure the match is followed with whitespace or end of string.
You don't need a regex for this. If you're looking for keywords, we'll work with KingTut, but that depends if you want to match strings like. If you don't, you still don't need a regex, although you should probably use one, given that you want to consider only whole terms, which are properly split, by default, via .split. Which is O and M on a worst case string and about half as fast as a regex on normal strings.
Why not check? Check this post for more details.